Hello, this is Last Garden Standing, and I'm in my melon patch right now, my Israelite and my orange flesh melons. I just want to show you what I've done. I told you I was going to make a sling for them, so I want to show you those. I've already got them on. Here's one. I just used an old t-shirt, tore it apart, and tied it to this cage here that I have them on. And it's doing fine. There's one over here as well. There it is. That seems to be a bigger one actually, but it's doing fine in my t-shirt sling as well. Tied it to this cage right here. But I have some more, and I'm going to try a different kind of sling. It's just one you get at the grocery store. I'm going to try this right here and see if that works well too. I don't know, that might not keep it from the critters so easy, so we're just going to try a couple of those in a couple different areas and see if that works too. I'm going to try it on this little one right here, which is right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's actually right here. And then there's another one over here, looks like, that is just barely starting. I might try it on that one too. I'm sure there's more around. Here's one down here, just right there. So maybe I'll do it on that one instead. Here's one in here. So I'm certainly getting these very much pollinated, but I'm going to try a couple of the nets that you just get at the grocery store and see how those work. I'll be right back. All right, so what I've done is this one right down here, because it was the biggest, and I just put it in that little net, tied it to the cage right there, and kind of threaded it down here as well. And we'll see, I don't know, the critters might be able to get through that melon and eat it anyway. But we'll see how it grows and transpires. This one here, I'm going to show you how I trim. Let's see. Here's my little trimmers right here. Make sure you clean your shears to prevent disease from one plant to another. What you do is, there's the melon. Here is the vine that it is attached to. I'm going to go ahead and cut that right about there. And that is, all this is going to be thrown away. And that's going to give all the energy to go right to this melon here. And I'm going to cover it with a net for now, but don't know if I'm going to keep that. I may use the t-shirt method in a while. We'll see how it grows. I wanted to update you on the slings that I am using. I've got a couple of melons in here, very big, but this one's doing fine, and I may even have to get it a bigger t-shirt. Looks like it's outgrowing this one already, so we might enlarge it. That one over there is even bigger. You can see it kind of through there. So that one has a big t-shirt on it right here. That's a big melon so far. It actually looks like something's marking it. I don't know. We may have to bring that up higher to up here more. So we might do some adjusting. But this is the way it looks as of now. This is my melon patch so far. And it is still growing. It has a lot of little melons in there. So we may cut and trim some more. I'm going to look around, and so I will keep you updated. Here's my watermelons, but I'm worried. I haven't seen any melons yet. They are on a later start. Seems like I just seen one not too long ago. Here's one, little tiny one, looks like, right there. Wow. It's pretty little yet, so I don't know if it's actually pollinated or not. So we're gonna look for more as time goes on. Let me get that up off the ground more. There we go. So let's see how that moves along. I don't know. It's just really, really tiny right now. So I'm not sure. I hope it's pollinated. That's the only one I see really right now. Looking at all the others. This is a small one here. Yeah, I just don't know if there's anything else that I see. So we may have trouble with the watermelons this year, not sure. They're on a late start. So we're going to bring these up a little. There we go. I like to bring them up off the ground. Although the watermelons are not doing real well. They're just late, mostly. All right, well, we're going to wait and see how the watermelons do. Let's hope this one works out and actually grows. We'll see. But there's my other melons. They're doing fine. I've got several in slings.